In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make a collage on Instagram story. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, at the top left, you're going to find the option Your Story. Click on that. Now, click on this camera icon. Your camera will open up. At the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Click on the option Layout. Under Layout, you're going to find the option of Change Grid. You can click on that. Now here you're going to find different option. Select the option of your choice. Once you have selected the grid, now you can either click the picture or select it from your gallery. For this guide, I'm going to select all the pictures from my gallery. All you have to do is click on this gallery icon given at the bottom left and select the pictures, and once you are done, upload it. So this way you are able to make a collage on Instagram story. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.